Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me well, I actually deleted already, a picture, and they wanted a shape like this, but they wanted a contour around the shape where it would go in and out, in and out. And I just drew that line by hand and turned it into a curve and brought it in. But what you could do, and I'm going to call this video double contour, take this item and go to effects and contour, and we're gonna see it doesn't work because it's nothing. So whenever you get this and it's all grayed out, it's because you need to, well, let's just tell you what, let's just weld it together. Now it works. So we're gonna contour to the outside in black 1/4 of an inch. Now we're going to go to arrange, break contour apart, and just for the grins, we're going to move our new contour over. Now we'll take our new contour and we're going to contour to the inside 1/4 of an inch. Now go to arrange, break contour apart, and voila. Now, I'm not going to say this is going to work in every scenario, but think about using the contour tool to go backwards and forward and get different effects. So this time it worked perfectly because it contoured the outer shape that's not symmetrical. So if you would have done this by hand, these lines are a little bit different because these humps are going off to a different direction. So think about that sometimes when you're using the contour tool. You can actually use it to improve some things. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.